When I was in the primary school, there's no, because I went to Indian school, so there's no rugby being held on. And from whole of my primary school, I've been playing soccer. And coming to secondary school, I started playing a little bit rugby. But my rugby started from when I was in grammar school. Under 18, joined the under 18 Super Gram to participate in the Deans. And after that, joined the Tamandamu Sevens team, playing over around Fiji or the local sevens. From there, I was called to play in the sevens team. To be honest, my aim was to reach the, to play for the Fiji Sevens team. I can't believe that we've come this far. I think challenges I've been facing is when I was going to training, there's no bus fare, and sometimes I walk to the ground to have training. And I think the challenges have molded me now to what I am today. I think it's about the learnings too, and the crowd. The difference is, coming from a grassroots to another level. You can learn some of the good thing, or to put away some bad thing in order to move forward. And also the crowd. There's not much crowd from the local grassroots, and compared to the international and the Super Rugby. Reaching the quarterfinal, this is the second year Drua have been participating in the Super Rugby, and it's a history too to reach the quarterfinal. I think I feel excited because I've been part of the team. It's in a history book right now, and looking forward to a good season and to create more history. My plan is to play a good season for the Drua this season, and because my target is to represent Flying Fijian for the next World Cup in 2027. For me, nothing new, just be myself and try to be more competitive with others and trying to be better. The young upcoming rugby players, a message from me to you guys is to do the small things right, and put God first, and listen to your parents.